0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Okay. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your Fitness and Wellness Today. I am Van Goss, and this is all about fall proofing your life. Fall prevention. One fall can change it all. So some of the things I'm going to give you today are just simple things you can do at home to help with fall prevention. You're brushing your teeth, standing right in front of the mirror. This is the brush teeth. I'm serious because I do this. Lift one leg, brushing your teeth. 1. Now you're working on the bottom teeth. Bring it down. See what I'm saying? 16. Other side, you can brush the top. Take your time with this because it's what you do consistently that makes the difference. Here we go. Brushing your teeth. Uh-huh. 8 more. Had to catch my balance. Okay? And then after you finish brushing your teeth, or you still stand in front of the mirror, or just getting out the shower, doesn't matter. Right there. Come on. 4, like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more.
Oh, that's real good.
Got it? Okay? You could be standing watching water boil. You can do this. Here we go. You keep the leg up. Or you can tap down and get your balance. 1, tap down. 2, tap down. Get it? 3. Uh-huh. Shake it out. I've had clients tell me all I want to do is tie my shoes. I got you. I got you. Here we go. Right in here. You're going to bend at the waist, hinge. Right here. And it's like you dusting off your shoes. We're going to get the rhythm, right? Here we go.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it right in here, or hold it right in here. Or you can come up. Here we go. Down, hinge at the hips. Swipe it. Yeah. Yep. Come back here and hold it. Okay? And right in here, stretching the back of the leg. Not only, and getting that little bounce in it, just making it fun. And you can put on your music and go. Keep it going. Hold it. Good. Slowly bring it up. Now that's the kind of stuff you do while you're at home. The tibialis anterior, right here in the front. So we're gonna bring it very small move, but powerful. Don't neglect the small moves. Right in here, what you're gonna do is lift up and down. Small, powerful. This will help you with your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, can you see me? 2, 3, 4, lifting up. 5, the front of the feet. 6, 7, 8. Got it? Now rock back in 1, up, 2, up, 3. We're rocking back and forth. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Again, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Give me extra. Excellent. All these moves are moves you can do at home and pretty much anywhere. But if you're at home, in the safety of your home, you can hold on to a chair. You can hold on to the sink if you're brushing your teeth. If you're washing dishes, remember the brushing teeth? You can do that. There's all sorts of moves you can do to help yourself not to fall. Fall proof your life, fall prevention. Remember hopscotch? You're gonna do it in place, all right? You're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So you're gonna switch legs, okay? And you can, let's be creative. You can turn with it, sideways, whatever you wanna do, but you can stay in one place. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Hopscotching, but staying in one spot. And you can do your hands up. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Do that again for me. All right? If it's too hard on the joints, just go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Make it fun. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, turn. 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 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, turn. No, we're not turning. High five me. High five me. High five me. Give yourself a pat on the back, because you did it just like that. Now, a fun one to do just because I call it the hula hoop. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bring it around. 7, 8, a little direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hula hoop it. Okay? Now, anytime you want to lose that dangerous jiggle in the middle, hula hoop works. What? Until the next workout. Bye. Yeah,